Hi everyone, it's Sellytech today and we are going to design an Afrofest flyer. So stay with me, it's going to be an amazing journey. See you.
So today we are going to make a beautiful design here in Canva. This is the design. Okay, so we're going to start. So the first thing we are going to do is to introduce this, right? So let me just copy it and bring it here. And then we go to the other one and then we bring, don't worry, I'll be sharing the resources with you, so it'll be a problem, okay? Yes, so the next thing we're going to do is to come to our folder. This is where I'll be sharing the resources with you. Okay, so first of all, we're going to use this. So I've already imported it already, right? So I don't want to go and then import it anymore, right? So then you can use it, right? So we have Afrofest. You bring it here. After importing, you will have a background. You can just hit on the remove background and then you remove it, right? And then the next thing you do, the image, right? You copy and you bring it here. For you, you are going to import, right? But then I already have it here, right? So you take it back. Take it back. Yes. So the next thing you do is to come to, you see the 23rd May 2026 TBD Oakland CA. With all these ones, they're already here for me. So all you have to do is to do a rectangle and then position them in, right? So for example, with the first one, with the red rectangle, I press R and then the rectangle appears. I resize it and then I choose the color red. Can you see that? Yes, when you check the design very well, you realize that it also has another rectangle behind it, right? So let's just bring these two down, work on the top one first. Okay, so you bring it down. You can decide to work around it. It's not necessarily to do the same thing, right? You can work around it, right? So after the first one, you can duplicate, change the color to light gray. I'm giving you the colors also in the description. Okay, then you take it back. After taking it back, you just bring it down a little, right? You can also extend it a little. Yeah, so we have something like this, right? And then the other part, we have May 2010 and this, right? So the same approach, you duplicate the rectangle and then you shift to the side, right? And as you can see, there is a green rectangle and then a red one below, right? So the same approach we used, you just go back there and you make here green, reduce a little, make it green, and then there's a red one beneath it, right? So duplicate and make this one red, and then you take it behind. You can use position or control and then the block bracket, the left block bracket. Okay, yes, so yes, you can maintain like this, or you can do exactly what I did. Like it's slanting over there, right? The red slanting over there. So you can use this to slant it a little. And that would also mean that if it's slanted to 2, the green should also be slanted to, I think, maybe 1. Yeah, so that it matches, right? And then we can also see that there is another one down there, right? Orange. So just duplicate and make the color orange, and then you can increase the size. A little, then you push up. You see that? Yeah. Then with that one too, there is a green rectangle beneath it, just like what we did the very first time here, right? So to make it very simple, we can just copy both of them. We can just, let's zoom in a little, copy both, the down and then the top. Let's group and then we duplicate, we bring it down, then we just increase the size. You see that? And here the first one was orange, the down one green. So first we come here and then we choose the green is supposed to be orange, so let's choose orange. And then the other one below is supposed to be green, so we choose green. Let's just go to position and then we ungroup and then we go beneath, then we choose green. Okay, so that's what we have for now. And if we check, we are getting closer. So with the texts, all we can do before we move on to the texts, let's bring this logo here, this logo. So again, you can find them here, but then as I said, I don't want to duplicate the resources I have in there, so I'll just go and copy from here and then just bring it. Control C, and then come back and I paste Control V. Yes, so now this is time. It's time for us to do the arrangement and editing very well. Okay, so let's group this red and black. Let's group them and take them further a little. Again, it's a design and you are the one to decide how you want it to look like. See, in graphic design, there is no limit to creativity. Right, so you select. Let's zoom in so we can select well. Then we group, then let's, okay. We can lower it a little, resize a little. Same applies to this. Then we can introduce our texts. This is ticket. We copy and we paste here. Okay, so copying and pasting makes us change the exact font, right? Here, let's ungroup. Here we have the Basni as the font, right? So we copy the if we copy and then it's not working, we can just go and change it, right? So here it worked, right? Because we removed the group, right? Okay, so we have this here. You can resize the rectangle again to your preference, right? We can come back here and then choose 2nd May and 23rd May, right? 23rd May. So we put the May here, May 2026, and we slant it like we did with the first rectangle, 2, right? Alright, so now we can reduce this, knowing very well that the 23rd, so we can duplicate this 23rd May, May 2026, and then make it 23rd, and then bring it here, and then we select it, make the color black. You're making heads way, right? Okay, so now let's reduce this rectangle as well, and then position the text so that it fits very well. Okay, so we will check the overall alignment and all that, but then for now, let's get going. TBD, we post, we paste that also here. You're going to work around it. Okay, so again, the slanting, it was 2 degrees, so we reduce here 2 as well, and then we can group them. We can group this, take it closer to the date, and then we can also bring the 23rd also closer. Alright, so now let's reduce a little. Good, we are making headway. Okay, so now we can select this. Okay, we have to group this too as well, so let's group this and add this to this and group all and expand. Yeah, we can expand this, right? Good, and then we can bring the image up a little, bring this. Okay, we have not grouped this, so we can move them together. So now let's zoom and group them. Okay, now group. Alright, so we can now bring here and then we check whether it's the same. Yes, it is. So making headway, let's zoom out again and see. Okay, so now this is what we have, and when we compare to this, it's getting closer. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is to take this Afrofest Bay Area up a little, and then we can begin to add our time, get ready. So with the same approach we used for the May 23rd, use the same for get ready, right? So I'm going to copy and then go and paste here. Yes, so this comes down a little, and then I reduce the Afrofest Bay Area so that I can have more space down there. So get ready is here, and then we have to put the arrow that we saw, the arrow here, right? So let's go to position and then look for the arrow. Yes, we got here. So we come back to our design and we put arrow there. Good. So now the arrow will point to get ready. The arrow points to get ready, and then the next thing is to add the time. Okay, so we come here and then we add the time, and then we group it so that we can easily move it, right? We can easily move it. So realize that the time also has something behind it. Okay, the idea was to bring this logo behind it, right? So let me show you what I did. Copy the logo and bring it behind this red rectangle, right? Do you see the trick? Exactly. Let's group everything. Now we have to add what you can expect, and then this down here, right? So we also have to add time, right? So let's copy time and put time here. Go to the time, yes, this, and then this logo can come here to align with the time, right? So don't worry, we'll align everything. We're just working on the elements on the design. Good, we are making headway. We're almost done. We are almost done. The last thing is to add these three things. So you type everything. When you search for wavy line in Canva elements, you should find this wavy line. Okay, so let's copy this and paste here. Good. Now one thing I want us to do is to take everything up so I can have space down there for the code, right? So we don't want to bring the African print in the grouping, right? So Control A, then hold Shift and tap on the African print so that they are all removed, so that we can take the content in the middle up a little bit, right? Good. And then the last thing we can do is so if you want to create a short, a very simple scan code, what you do is you go to apps, right? And then you go to search, and then you can search for QR code generator or code. It will show you many, so you can select this one. Okay, when you select it, you can be able to enter your URL to generate the code, right? You can be able to select your URL to generate the code. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You paste your website link in there, and then it generates the code for you. So I've already done that, so I'm just going to copy them, and then I bring it back to my design. I paste. I bring it down a little. Yes, so basically we are almost done. Now it's time for alignment. One of the things that I always talk about in design is alignment. So we're going to use the main image to align our design. We select the main image, go to position, and then go to arrange. Then make sure center is on, right? Afrofest center. Can you see that? Now this text should also be centered. The wavy line should be centered. And then these three, we can reduce the size so that it fits the design. Okay. Let's take this lady up and Afrofest up a little, and then this text up, and then this two up, so that we can have some spaces. Yes, so we are almost good to go. Yes, so hooray, our design is ready. We can view it bigger to see how it looks like. Yes, you can also go ahead and make other versions, like a TikTok version, the YouTube version, sorry. So you can also go ahead and do it that way. Also the TikTok version as well, you can also go ahead and do it that way. So see you, another design will be made soon, and I will share with you. Bye.